Want to know the truth about cracking your own neck? There's one of two reasons usually that people do that. Number one is it's become just a general habit like any other habit. Number two is a more critical one. When people feel the sensation that they need to crack or pop their neck, it's usually because there's something wrong or there's something happening with their nervous system that's causing them stress or tension. Cracking or popping your own neck will not get to the cause of the problem. All joints that are healthy and normal will crack or pop, and that does not help you get to the cause of the problem. If you want to know what's going on and you're having this sensation to crack or pop your neck on your own, click the link below and give us a call.